Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today. With all that is new in this emerging tech world, the US wields significant influence over global interdependence through its underground empire. This influence encompasses the internet, extensive surveillance capabilities, and control over global finance. Some nations like Iran and Russia use punitive measures while China isolates itself from the global financial network. Economic warfare risks destabilizing the world, prompting the US to consider strategic use of its economic tools. Potential strategies include fostering a post-carbon economy and combating global tax evasion and corruption. Next up, we have the Congress Manifesto Committee led by Sridhar Babu announces free internet access for students in Telangana. The committee will embark on a district-wise tour from 2 October, engaging with local communities and party leaders. The manifesto also promises a welfare scheme for auto drivers. NABARD and Cyber Sapiens organized a session on cybercrime and internet safety for bank employees in Bangalore. The session focuses on social engineering tactics like phishing, smishing, and vishing. Over 26 participants attend, highlighting the importance of personal protective measures against cyber threats. Snapchat discontinues its AR Enterprise division, originally aimed at assisting businesses in integrating AR technology. Snapchat plans to reallocate resources to strengthen AR advertising efforts and improve fundamental AR experiences for users. Existing AR partnerships with brands like the LA Rams and American Airlines remain unaffected. Developers confirmed the release of Among Us VR for PlayStation VR 2 in 2023, priced at $9.99. The game includes 2 maps, the Scald 2 and Polus Point, with additional content in the latter. Gamers can wishlist the games on the PlayStation Store for updates on the release date. Next up, we have LiverX, a global system integrator, hosts its 3rd annual innovation forum in Miami from 25 to 27 October 2023. The event focuses on digital transformation in various domains, including product lifecycle management and supply chain. LiverX, a strategic SAP partner, has expanded its presence globally over 2 decades. The forum features a design thinking workshop and welcomes speakers from SAP and industry leaders. At last, ChartGen AI, a new tool based on 6 years of research at MIT and Brown University, simplifies chart and graph creation. Users can upload data, describe chart requirements in natural language, and generate charts in 3 straightforward steps. The tool democratizes data visualization, making it accessible to users of varying technical backgrounds. It also offers customization options, enhancing productivity and accessibility in data visualization tasks. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
All you need to know about Big Billion Days. Point number 1, आप 2 से 3 अकाउंट से लॉगिन करके जरूर रखिएगा, क्योंकि बहुत बड़ी सेल होती है और बहुत जल्दी सारे फोन्स निकल जाते हैं. नंबर 2, अगर आपको एक आईफोन मिल रहा है जो आप बजट के अंदर लेना चाहते हो, उसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें आपको देखनी पड़ती है. जैसे अगर आप आईफोन 12 ले रहे हो जो आपको 25 से 30 का मिलने वाला है, उसमें 5G अनेबल नहीं है और कलर के पीछे मत भागेगा. ये टिप नंबर 3 थी. पॉइंट नंबर 4, आपको अपने क्रेडिट कार्ड वगैरह पहले से अपडेटेड रख. विद इन फ्यू सेकंड्स बहुत सारे यूजर अटेम्प्ट करते हैं बाय करने का, तो बहुत सारी चीजें जल्दी ही बिक जाती हैं. एक भी मौका नहीं छोड़ना है अपनी चीज को खरीदने का. साथ ही साथ आपको एक चीज बता देता हूँ, Amazon सेल एंड बिग बिलियन डेज के सारे टेक अपडेट्स कब लेने और कितनी जल्दी लेने हैं, कितने प्राइसिंग में लेने, सब मिलेगा आपको IT वॉइस के साथ. टिल देन फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर. मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में. और